Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the class studio. Today, we learn 6th standard, Unit 3. How do bees make honey? This lessons comprehension and vocabulary. Dear children, first, we see the answer to the following questions in a word, a phrase, or a sentence each. First one, what does honey contain? The answer is honey is a natural sugar. It contains protein, iron, and calcium, and only about 14 to 18% water. Second one, why do honeybees fan honey? The answer is to prepare for long-term storage. The bees fan their wings to evaporate and thicken the honey. Where do bees store the honey? The answer is they store the nectar in their stomachs called honey sacs and carry it to the beehive. They drop honey into the honeycombs. Fourth one, what is a honeycomb? The answer is a honeycomb is a hexagonal cell made of wax produced by the bees. Fifth one, how long does a honeybee live? Fifth one, how long does a honeybee live? Answer is a honeybee does not live longer than a month. Sixth one, read the lesson again and write 2 things that the bees do to produce honey. The answer is first one, bees visit flowers and collect nectar. They store the nectar, mixes with the proteins and enzymes in their stomachs. The nectar is thus converted into honey. The second point, the bees then drop the honey into the honeycombs. To prepare for long-term storage, the bees fan their wings to evaporate and thicken the honey and cap the honeycomb with wax. Seventh one, mention the work done by the house bees and field bees. The answer is the house bees keep the houses clean and well ventilated. They build new combs to store honey. Field bees are older bees. They go away from the house. Their job is to search for nectar. Next, second heading, C2. Discuss the following questions in small groups and present your answers to the whole class. First one, do you think honeybees are hardworking? Give reasons. Answer is honeybees work hard. House bees keep the houses clean and well ventilated. They are engaged in building new honeycombs. Field bees go far away from home in search of nectar. So, they work hard. As a result of this, they do not live long. Second one, have you ever tasted honey? Have you seen a beehive or a honeycomb? The answer is I have seen a beehive. I have tasted honey also. There are lot of beehives in the trees beside my house. We see them and enjoy them. Fourth one. Imagine that you are a honeybee. Explain how you make honey. Answer is, during the spring season, the plants will be full of colorful flowers. I use my long tube-like tongue to suck the nectar from the flower. I store the nectar in my honey sac. I drop the honey into the honeycombs and in my wings to make it thick. I fill each honeycomb with the honey and cap it with wax. The same process that the honeybee do. Next, fifth one. Read the lesson carefully and find out the steps followed by bees in making honey. Then complete the flow chart given below. Here a flow chart is given. You have to fill the boxes. Okay. The honey making process. First one is given. Bees feed on the flowers and plants. They collect nectar from the flowers. Next, they store nectar in their stomach. The nectar mixes with the proteins and enzymes in the bee's stomach and it is converted to honey. Next, the bees drop honey into the honeycombs. Bees fan their wings to evaporate and thicken the honey. When the honeycomb cell is full, they cap it with bee wax and move on to the next empty comb. Understand? Okay, let's going on the next heading. Let's practice words. Write the actions that go with the given words. It's a textbook activity you have to do in your textbook. Honey. Honey, pour, taste, fill. Here you have to write collect. Okay. Next, book. Book. Open, turn page, give, take, mark, close and read. Book, read. Book, open. We have the option here to turn the page. Okay. The next one is house. Related to house, we have some words are there. House, build, clean, repair, paint, come, go, leave and shift. The next activity is make meaningful phrases or sentences using the above words. One has been done for you. That is, first one, I read a book yesterday. This is a meaningful sentence. Like this, we have to do 4 new meaningful sentences. Second one is, I tasted honey today. Third one is, we cleaned our house. Fourth one, we shifted our house to other city. Fifth one, we got our house repaired by a workers. Next, it is a language activity. Here are some sentences about how plants make food. Choose the correct word from the brackets and fill in the blanks. I tick here. It is the right answer. I give the right mark. Okay. I read this passage to understand easily. Plants are very important to us. All the foods people eat comes directly or indirectly from plants. For example, apples come from an apple tree. The flour used to make bread comes from a wheat plant. But what do plants eat? They make their own food. Plants need several things to make their own food. They need chlorophyll, a green pigment found in the leaves of plants, light, carbon dioxide, water, nutrients, and minerals. Plants make food in their leaves. The leaves contain a pigment called chlorophyll, which colors the leaves green. Chlorophyll can make food that the plant can use from carbon dioxide, water, nutrients, and energy from sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. During the process of photosynthesis, plants release oxygen into the air. People and animals need oxygen to breathe. Thus, the activity and comprehension is completed, children. To understand this lesson, see our description box. The link is given there. Thank you and see you in the next class.